if we're doing the hair on top of a head, or say we're talking about hair flowing down the back of a warrior, so you can imagine that's the back of his head, right? That's the hair. And hair is usually sculpted. It doesn't really have a lot of jagged edges on a figure. It'll come to a point, but it won't be jagged. This applies for beards as well. Let's just say we can imagine that's the hair coming down. When we want to highlight and shade it, it's a very simple process. We just mix a lighter color, and we're going to go back and do a darker color later for shading. So with a lighter color, we're going to get a liner brush or something like that, and we're just going to do, it might not be completely dry, yeah, but we're just going to do streaks of the lighter color like this, you know.
Also, it's just a suggestion.
Just a suggestion of highlight, and you're going to do it like here, but you leave the bottom part, and then, I know this is a poor example, I apologize, but when we go back and we're going to do a shade, you just find that base coat, and I paint very messily. Not everybody paints like this, but this is how I work.
Don't worry, I do.
Yeah, it's how I work. Like
it's all over the place.
For shading, we'll go underneath, you know, we'll do little bits here and there, and what that does is it applies some depth. There, you can see. The streaks are a better example.
Oh,
it will give like almost a 3D
look.
look to it, yeah. And so on some, like, it's actually done on some of these I've been looking at, but hair is just...
you know, the Germans have this funny rain pattern thing. I guess try this on that.
Oh yeah, the hatching. It's called hatching. That's the technique, right? It's just doing lines for highlight.
On that.
It's up there with pointillism, you know,
this,
like...
you know, the Germans, they have this rain pattern, the camo. It's tiny straight